Okay, guys, based on based on our series, and like I said in our previous video, actually I had some warning trades that were going, like the EURUSD and the GU. So I'm going to show you guys the outcome of those trades, and why waiting for those trades to actually play out, whether be it TP or SL. I also had opportunities on Go, because the Go setup that I showed in the other video finally played out exactly as I was anticipating. And also BTC, I also had another opportunity on BTC after the TP hit. I had another one, and a beautiful TP hit, very magnificent. So technically, aside, I also had, yeah, I think that is all, because on EU and GU, I also saw second opportunities, like double opportunities, but all the two went south. They really went south. So regardless, I won't waste much of your time. I'll just go right into it and show you guys um, how how everything played out. This is going to be our episode 5 of our series Journey to Profitability. Like I said, I'm going to show everything clear, every single trade that I take, be it currency pairs or cryptocurrencies like the BTC and Ethereum. So I'm going to show you guys. Let's just dive right into it. Okay, guys, we're just going to go right into it. I'm not going to take much of the time. So, like in my previous video, I said after price had given us this break of structure on the 30-minute time frame, gave us this change of character. So I was actually expecting price to tap into this 30-minute fair value gap. Another person should probably call it inverted fair value gap. So yes, so I was actually expecting price to tap into that fair value gap, and that's exactly what happened. And because this trade is actually a two is to three, yes, 2.3 is to what, and immediately price hit, he push back down. So most of the times, I think this is a mistake some traders will make, always targeting the high. It is not in every occasion that you must target the high. You also need to understand that price can reverse at any point in the market. It must not necessarily take out a swing high or a swing low, or probably take out any high or any low. Price can just decide to reverse at any point, especially when it must have actually taking out liquidity from the market. So this is something as a trader, you need to always pay attention to, because after price had taken, because immediately it shows that after price had taken this Asian high right here, it just started reversing downward. So this is something we need to really pay attention to. Also, let's go to EU. Yes, this is the outcome of the EU trades I was talking about. But currently currently, I think price is still definitely going to buy, because after taking out this swing low right here, price is price immediately return within inside the range, and I think it's just going to continue pushing upward. But for now, let's just keep our fingers crossed, because it actually gave us a very horrible SR. Because I realized that after price had taken out this Asian high right here, I knew that the next spot was the Asian low, and this area right here was a fair value gap and also a key level. So I was just expecting price to just continue pushing upward after taking out this Asian low, but the market has other plans for you. Actually has other plans for you. So we'll go on GU. I don't know, network. I don't always like. Let's just move on to another instrument. Cannot be wasting time because of network. See, it's the same thing. Also, this is BTC. The network is not really good, but this is also BTC. All right. This is also BCC. Okay, this is a second opportunity that I saw on BTC, because I noticed that after price had taken out this Asian high right here, and then took out the low, push upward, giving us a new Asian high, and I saw price reversing, I knew that this reversal was to take out this Asian low and this other Asian low. So I had to just mark my fair value gap, and mark my liquidity area, which is this Asian low right here, and then wait for price to react to it, and that is exactly what happened. Then target this today Asian high, and that is exactly what happened. Price delivered beautifully. Excuse me, I might not be a very good teacher, but or good at explaining it. I'm just trying. We are learning on the job. So that is that, because our very first entry on BTC was right here, as you all can remember. Yeah, exactly, was right here. Our very first our very first trade on BTC was there. Yes, I think. Yeah, it was right here. We targeted this high, and price delivered beautifully, very beautifully. So technically we have had very two good trades on BTC, two good trades on BTC. So BTC has been a win-win since I think Friday to now. It has actually been a win-win trade. So let's just move on to New Zealand. For New Zealand, I don't think there was anything here. There was actually nothing interesting. I didn't mark any zone. So let's just check GU. Yes, Great British Pound Japanese. So we just check GU immediately. The network can be very frustrating, I tell you. So this is GU. So let's just drop to the 30-minute time frame and let's see. So another opportunity after price had taken out this Asian high right here. My next target is actually coming for the Asian low. So I had to mark my demand level, put in my entry, and then wait for price to react. But price had other plans. But regardless, I think this setup, I'll have to re-evaluate this setup. But for now, I'm just going to cancel everything. And so in my next video, in my next video, we'll be doing everything all over again, taking fresh analysis and waiting for price to react on all the analysis that we have taken. So currently right now, I'm just going to cancel everything entirely, because it shows that this is SL. This one has already hit SL, though this other trade is still going. But since I do not have a live account, I'm just going to cancel everything altogether, then take fresh analysis. Possibly tomorrow I'm going to drop that tomorrow, but for now I'll just drop this today. So that is that. For GEO, I didn't take much, just EU. That is EU for you. That is this volatility particularly. I just tried it. Let me cancel this thing. I just tried it to see. So I knew that price was coming for these two lows right here. This an Asian low, Asian low. So this right here is our key level. So immediately price had taken out the key level. It returned back within the range, entered the range, and let it just be there. But I just took it to see how price will play out on volatility 75 index. So I don't trade synthetics actually. I just, when you're boring and you just say, let me just try something new. Yeah. So that's how I come. Silver did very well, but though I did not take any analysis on it. Like I said, there's certain instruments that I just have so that it can give me a better understanding of the actual pairs that I'm trading. For example, I just look at silver so that it can give me a better understanding of what I'm supposed to do on gold. All right, so not so much. So that is that. Hope I see you in the next video. Please, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like and share. It is very important so that other people can join our community, can share in the journey, because I'm putting out content of my trading journey. I'm actually trying to be as transparent as possible, because I think that is what the community needs if we need to grow as a family, as one. Because I know that trading alone, trading individually, for some people it might work, for some people, but for me, I've tried it over the years and it didn't work. So I said, okay, let me join with other people. Let's grow together, so that let other people at least watch the journey, and other person can be motivated to start their own forex journey, probably start their own content creation on YouTube, on TikTok, or whatever platform or social media. So please subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.